Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can extract audio from a video using the ShotCut apps. So you don't need to worry if you want to extract only the music from a video. You can use this feature on ShotCut. So just click on extract music button and choose the video that you want to extract its music. For example, I'm going to just extract from this clip. So shortcut will detect the music or the audio. So you can just click on the plus icon in here to extract it. Now it has been extracted, and to see the result you can click on this button at the top right corner, and in here you can see the audio that extracted. So you can click on the plus icon again if you want, or you can also just click on save and choose the audio that you want to save to your device. Click on save to device, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.